What's up, everybody? YouStanceBro here. How's everybody doing? I already got another project car for the channel. I got it really cheap. Got it off Facebook Marketplace. I kind of wanted to get something I could just make cool really quick, fix it up cheap, and flip it. And buy more cars for me to fix up and flip for the channel, and take you guys along with me. But anyway, it's a Honda, I know, but it's not a Civic. I'm not hating on Civics. I'm just not a Honda guy, but I've always liked Preludes. It's pretty cool. Here it is. Actually, the interior is not bad at all. It's really clean. No cracks in the dash. 140K, 5-speed. No rips. Starts right up right away. Not bad. It's got a power steering leak that I could fix really easy. And let's go show you guys the outside. Alright guys, there it is. Kind of dirty, not too bad. Back is looking good. Prelude. There's my new dog, Hein. What's up, Hein? What's up, buddy? He's a good boy. Alright, there's the front. Doesn't look too bad, I guess. It's got a cracked headlight lens. I'm gonna save the bumper. The worst spot is right here, where it needs to be bondoed, and that's not too bad. Could sand that down and paint over that. But yeah, the hood is gone. Let's see if I could open it real quick. Alright. There we go. Got the H22 beast motor. Man, this thing's quick. It's quicker than my Lexus. It's got a cheap little eBay intake. It sounds really good when it's a VTEC, yo. And notice that was off. It's got a stripped screw bolt in there. And power steering leaks underneath there whenever it's on. Just needs a little clamp. But yeah, I think I could save the grill, save that light. I'm just trying to be as cheap as I can, and I'm gonna heat that up with the torch and pull it out, even though you could tell it moved a little bit, but I'm not gonna get a whole front clip. That's just, nah. The whole point of it is trying to stay cheap. Oh, and there's eBay coilovers right there. Alright guys, and I'm gonna throw the wheels from the Subaru on it. I'm gonna make it look pretty cool. So hope you guys enjoy. Stick with me. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.